Good evening, my name is Joe Tomasoni, and tonight we're going to demonstrate how to use the VK3YNG MK4 Sniffer to DF and ELT. We have a practice ELT running right now on 121.775 megahertz, and we're going to see how quickly the sniffer can tell us where it is. So I'm going to turn it on, set it up on the training frequency. The tone that you hear now is the DFing tone, which will change in audio frequency as the RF signal increases. So as I turn this beam antenna around, you can hear the tone dropping and getting louder as we come closer to what we believe is the signal source. Now you see the number 5 on the display. That is the auto-ranging attenuator. Number 5 is about a half-strength signal, which actually is pretty good considering you don't generally get up to a 8 or a 9 until you've got the two antennas just about touching. So this indicates a pretty strong signal, indicates we're probably right in the vicinity of the ELT. Now as I turn around, it actually just dropped the attenuation one step because it lost the signal. And you can see we're kind of losing the signal as we point in this direction. It's picking back up, getting stronger and stronger, dropping off a little bit, getting much stronger, peaking out right about here, and then dropping off as we come back around. So let's take a walk in this direction. Yep, it's changed to a 5, so we're getting closer. Let's kind of take a look where we're going here. Now this is a known test. I've actually hid the ELT in this Jeep right here, which may be a little tough to see. And let's see how quickly the sniffer can tell us that we should be on the left side of the street instead of the right. So as we walk forward, we see the signal getting stronger and stronger. Now I'm intentionally not turning this, just so you can see. We're just about a beam of the Jeep now. And as soon as we passed it, and it's right there, it starts to drop off as we move forward. If I were to turn around and walk past it again, and what we'll do is we'll actually show the Jeep there on the left with the sniffer as we walk past it. And right as we get past it, the signal starts dropping. And actually figure out that we need to go in that direction. If we turn it, you can see now it's jumped up to a 6. And right as we're pointed at it is our peak. As we continue to turn, it drops off. And as a matter of fact, as we get 180 degrees away from it, it drops down to a 5. As we swing back around towards it, jumps back up to a 6. So now if we follow the peak signal, seems to be right here. But before we enter this property, let's make sure that it's the right one. As we turn away, signal drops again. Quite badly. Now it drops down to a 5. So yep, that property is looking pretty good. Now we're up this high. We can actually dispense with the beam antenna if we want to really zero in on this. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've now removed the unit from the antenna. Now we can almost use it sort of a field strength meter. We can body null with it. Yep, that's definitely the strongest, and it happens to be right at the back of the Jeep. That looks pretty good. But let's come around to the front of the vehicle. We've got two vehicles here. We don't know which one it is. We're down to a 1. We're down to a 0. That can't be good. We walk around the minivan. Starting to pick up a little bit here, but it's not here by this vehicle. Let's go back over by that Jeep. She jumps up immediately to a 1, to a 2. Let's go around the side of the Jeep, see where in the Jeep it is. As we get up near the front, yep, she's dropped off again. Let's go back here where we had that strongest signal, and let's take a look. Sure enough, there it is. As we get closer and closer, that's where she is. Well, that's the Mark IV Sniffer. Thanks for watching.